Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Oracle database. Installing a database like Oracle isn't just about downloading a file, it's about setting up a full data system that can power applications, analytics, and enterprise operations. A lot of people stop at the download step and think they're done. That's where things usually break. Installation only works smoothly when you understand what each stage is doing. First, open your browser and search for Oracle Download. Click on the official software download page. Why this step matters. Oracle has multiple products. This page helps you choose the correct database version, avoid unofficial or unsafe downloads, and access supported releases. Scroll down until you find Database. Click on it. Then choose Database Edition. Under the Database section, select Database Enterprise Edition, Standard Edition. What these editions mean. Enterprise Edition full features, used by large organizations. Standard Edition limited features, lighter usage. If you're learning, either works, but Enterprise has more capabilities. Select a downloadable file. You'll now see a list of available files. Choose the version that matches your operating system as well as your system architecture. Click on the file you want. Before downloading, Oracle will ask you to log in. Enter your email and your password. Why login is required? Oracle requires authentication to track downloads, enforce licensing agreements, and provide updates and support. After logging in, you may be asked to enter a verification code sent to your email. Enter the code to continue. Once verified, the download starts automatically and the file is saved to your computer. Important reality check. Up to this point, you've only downloaded the installer, not installed Oracle yet. This is where many people stop incorrectly. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file, extract it, open the installer, and run the setup file. To summarize, installing Oracle Database begins by searching for Oracle downloads in your browser and opening the official software download page. From there, navigating to the database section allows you to select either the Enterprise or Standard Edition and choose the appropriate file for your system. After logging in and verifying your account, the download begins. Once downloaded, you must run the installer, configure your database settings, set administrative credentials, and complete the installation process. This results in a fully functional Oracle database system installed on your machine, ready for use in development, learning, or enterprise-level applications. Just don't make the classic mistake downloading isn't installing. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.